First off, what is hydropower? It's the process of changing kinetic energy of flowing water in a river into electrical power that can be used. So now, how does it work? Well, a dam is built first. The dam is used to hold the water and create pressure so the water can produce even more electrical power.
Potential gravity is stored in the water, and this energy is used to turn generators and create electricity. These turbines are within tunnels in the dam, so these massive turbines turn the electrical generators and create electricity.
Water flows through these tunnels with great pressure and is used to turn these turbines. The water has immense pressure due to the great height it is kept at the dam. If there is a greater volume of water or there is a very large difference between the water level and where it flows out of, then you can get more power out of the water as it has greater potential energy.
This difference in height of the water is called the head.
The generator contains two main parts, the rotor and the stator.
The rotator is the part which rotates, and the wire has a huge magnet inside of it.
The stator is the part which is covered in copper.
The electrical current is created when the rotor spins around the copper wire and on the stator. This is the charge which is then used as electricity.
What's nice about hydroelectric power is that it's renewable. It's renewable because the process takes nothing away from the environment, so it needs nothing to be replenished. The water stays in the same water cycle and keeps producing energy endlessly. Other advantages of hydroelectric power are:
no pollution or waste is produced.
It's a very reliable source.
Once the dam has been built, it's not expensive to maintain.
It can increase plant production or decrease it whenever there is too high or too low demand.
Water can be stored, waiting to be used in peak times.
Although there is a good amount of advantages for hydroelectric power, there are some disadvantages too, such as the dam being expensive to build and time-taking.
The dam would change the habitat and landscape upstream, so much more land will be submerged. Just keep going.
The land below the dam is also affected as the flow of water is reduced.
Silt can build up in the dam as the water slows down. It does not have enough energy to carry the sand and the silt to where it was.